Here's the live portfolio that we look at every single day. This is not paper trading. I mean, this is my live account that I am moving around and trading out of. So overall on the day, down about $600, but you'll see that we have a lot of individual stock names that are way up today. And we haven't talked about this in a little bit. So I just want to get into it and talk about portfolio construction, right? Because this whole portfolio that I have here, I don't use for individual stock picking. About 70% of the value of the portfolio is in ETFs. So with the whole purpose of creating sort of a well-rounded portfolio, right, that exposes me not just to US markets, but global markets. And then, I use some of the money on the side to do the individual stock picking, and that's where I look for the alpha, right? So basically, I'm building a constructed sort of a well-rounded portfolio using ETFs, and then trying to generate some additional alpha and upside by doing some stock picking. And we haven't talked about what that looks like in a little while. So let me run you through that. But about 40% of total portfolio value is in US large cap stocks. We have SPY in there. We have Triple Q in there. We've got a couple, like S&P 500 dividend focused ETFs. But again, about 40% of the total portfolio value is in US large cap stocks. Next biggest chunk that we have, US small cap stocks. I keep 12% of portfolio value in US small cap stocks. I do that with the ETF IWM is the ticker there. And then I've got a slew of ETFs to give me other exposures. So DBC, that is a broad commodity ETF. We have 2% of portfolio allocation there. USO, that's the oil ETF, 2% there. VGK, that's the European ETF, European large cap, so you'll put 4% of the portfolio value there. AAXJ, that's the Asia ETF, we've got 3% of portfolio value there. And then in various bond funds, we have 4%. So those are TLT and LQD are the two bond funds that I chose.